Tonight I'm doing a bath water session once again, and I'm going to try and find out who the people are who are actually talking during the session. Now there's a lot of swearing normally, bad manners and such like, so they're obviously not high-ranking spirit people, if you like. I'm not saying they're a low-level spirit person, but they're not godly in any way. So thank you for joining me, and we'll endeavour to ask them. So here we go. Good evening, my spirit friends. This is Paul. I come in peace and friendship, as always. Could you tell me, please, who may be here tonight? Okay, I have a couple of questions I would like to ask you. The first question is, do you know me? Are you related to me in any way? Or are you just here because we are linking together while we do these sessions? Please answer me. Could you tell my followers and myself, where exactly are you? Are you in this room? Are you in another room in the spirit world? Or are you somewhere totally different but not here? I know many of the times you talk as though I'm not actually here. You talk about me and you talk about other people. But I am here and you know you can hear me. Can you actually see me? Are you able to tell the people what I'm wearing? Okay, thank you. Are you able to tell us what realm you're in? Are you in the astral world? Are you in heaven? Do you know where you are? Can you describe where you are for us, please? Was my guide Barlow or Edward here tonight? I've not heard from you lately, Barlow. Are you okay? Okay, finally, do you have a message for me tonight, please?